On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix filters on Instagram. So if you have any problem with the filters, just watch this video until the end and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed in easy, fast way. All what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps in the top right here, and then you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone on this page. So all what you have to do is search for Instagram and click on it, and then on this page you will find all the app informations. Just click here on the permissions and make sure to enable those permissions, and then go back, click on storage, click on this option, it's called clear data, and then go back, and now click on the force stop right here, and after that restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and then the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.